Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to physics. Today we're gonna talk about Newton's third law, badly explained on paint. Alrighty, let's start out. What is Newton's third law? Newton's third law states that for every action there's an equal reaction. So I have this little box here, cute little box, and someone's pushing on it. Hmm. Well, that hand didn't really touch the box. Like extend that a bit, yeah. Someone pushes the box. For everyone's common sense, everyone will know that the box will move. That's it. But Newton's third law states that for every action, which is pushing the box here and making it move, there's an equal reaction, which it means the box pushes back on the hand. And this force caused by the box, it is equal to the force by the hand. And the direction is the opposite. I don't know what the opposite symbol is, but you get what I mean. Let's do a quick review there. So for every action, there's an equal reaction with the same amount of force and the opposite in the opposite direction of the force. One of the common things you can see in your everyday life is a bird. Cute little bird. That little bird looks like a fish, but you get the idea. So how does bird flies? How does a bird fly? Well, it flaps its wings, right? Flappy. Well, when it's flapping its wing, its wing pushes the air down. Air. And the air says, wait a minute. Newton's third law. It pushes the bird up. Then bam, it's flying. There you go. A common misconception is like rockets can't accelerate in space because like there is no air to pushes the rocket to push. Right? Because space is a big void of nothingness. Okay, almost nothingness. Antimatter doesn't count. Nope. Um. So how does a rocket accelerates in space? Well, a rocket it it combusts its fuel here and exhausts gas out. And according to Newton's third law, since the rocket is pushing the fuel out, the fuel is pushing the rocket back. Like, even though there's no external factor here, but like, since the rocket's pushing the exhaust gas out, the exhaust gas will be pushing the rocket back, and thus accelerating the rocket to infinity and beyond. Another experiment we have is a gun. Ooh, shooting out a bullet. Since we all know that for every force there's an equal reaction, since the gunpowder is exploding, pushing the bullet out, so the bullet is also pushing back on the gun. Is the acceleration of the bullet equals to the acceleration of the gun? Well, in fact, no, because acceleration, according to Newton's second law here, whoa, a crossover. is mass times wait no, yeah, the F net is mass times acceleration. So even though the forces is the same, um, the masses of the bullet and the gun is different. So the bullet accelerates more than the gun. And that's it for this very low quality paint video about Newton's third law. Thank you for coming to physics.